Hello dear students, this is our new lesson, Deutsch Course, German Course Buch 2, Book 2. Lektion Nummer 10, lesson number 10. In lesson number 10 or Lektion Nummer 10, we will learn about his and her. In this lesson, you will learn the usage of words his, her in German language. So German has more grammatical cases than English. So the correct form of his or her will depend on the context of the sentence. Since these are your initial lessons, focus on the following shapes for now. You will learn the rest later. So we use sein and ihr for his and her. Like sein means his, ihr means her in German. Like his father, sein Vater. Her father, ihr Vater. But if the object is feminine, we will use slightly different words, like his mother, seine Mutter, because Mutter or mother is feminine noun. Okay, so we have used seine. Here you can see we used sein Vater, seine Mutter, his father, his mother, her mother, ihre Mutter, ihre Mutter. Here you can see her father, ihr Vater. So for her mother, ihre Mutter, because Mutter is feminine. So we changed ihr with ihre and sein with seine in this case. Like this. Das ist Peter. This is Peter. Das ist sein Drachen. This is his kite. Das ist Peter. Das ist sein Drachen. Sein means his. His kite, sein Drachen. Das ist Paul. Das ist sein Vater. Das ist seine Mutter. Okay? Das ist Paul. Das ist sein Vater. Das ist seine Mutter. Okay? So look at this. Sein Vater, seine Mutter. Because Vater is masculine and Mutter is feminine. Das ist Paul. Das ist sein Vater. Das ist seine Mutter. Das ist Anna. Das ist ihr Vater. Das ist ihre Mutter. Okay, so Anna is a female or feminine, so we have used ihr with her. Okay, her. Ihr means her. So das ist Anna. Das ist ihr Vater. And das ist ihre Mutter. Das ist Anna. Das ist ihr Vater. Das ist ihre Mutter. This is Anna. This is her father. This is her mother. So, Übung exercise, fill in the blanks in the following pages or slides. So, das ist Anna. Das ist Vater. So, what word will come here? You should write in your notebook. So, this is Anna. This is her father. This is her mother. So, these blanks, you have to fill these blanks, okay, and write in your notebooks in German. And das ist Paul, das ist Vater, das ist Mutter. In English, this is Paul, this is his father, this is his mother. So you should write in, so you should fill in the blanks in German and complete this work in your notebook. And now vocabulary words, Vokabeln, write these words in your notebook. Der Mann, the man, Ann und ihre Mutter. Anne and her mother. Ann und ihre Mutter. Der Mund, the mouth. Der Mund. Der Mann, Ann und ihre Mutter, der Mund. Das ist Ende, the end. Bis bald. See you soon. Thank you so much.